Ang Ku Kueh, or red tortoise cake, is a traditional food often known by a sweet bean or peanut filling. It is often used by Singaporean Chinese for praying and for joyous occasions like baby showers and birthday celebrations. Today, we are here at One Everton Park to interview the owner of Ji Xiang Confectionery about his handmade Ang Ku Kueh business that was established in 1987.
My name is Do Bo Sing. But my shop, this one is actually for Chinese. They say Ji Xiang is luck. So we use Ji Xiang Confectionery. From the beginning, because of
Before the start of this business, I was working in the shipyard industry. I left my job during an economic downturn. My wife was skilled in making Ang Ku Kueh, and I used to distribute some samples to my friends. As the response was well received by many, I rented this shop and started selling Ang Ku Kueh in 1987. I owe the success of this business to my wife. We have a total of 7 flavors for our Ang Ku Kueh. They are peanut, salted bean paste, sweet bean paste, yam, durian, coconut, and corn. Durian flavor is only available during the durian season. Traditionally, the Ang Ku Kueh has 2 flavors, bean paste and peanut. Both of them are in red. For the Chinese, red signifies luck. Most of my customers enjoy these 2 flavors. Subsequently, other flavors such as durian and yam were introduced.
when I start my
When I
business,
first started this business, I've thought about appealing to the younger crowd. For the older generation, it is used for prayer ceremonies. In a move to attract youngsters, more varieties of Ang Ku Kueh were introduced. Some younger customers fax over their orders and we will deliver it to them. Our shop is strategically located in the CBD area, which is convenient for office workers. We do not have any form of advertising for our business. We have been in business for almost 20 over years and we are still popular among Singaporeans. Normally, most customers know that our closing is at 5 p.m. Some will call up and reserve their orders. Usually by 4:30 p.m., all the customers would have collected their orders, after which we would close the shop. By 4 p.m. or so, most of the Ang Ku Kueh will be sold out with no leftovers. We only sell freshly produced Ang Ku Kueh. Our business hours are from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. We are closed on Sundays and public holidays. I'm 66 years old this year and ready to retire. My eldest and second son are the successors for my business.
If the quality of the food is not compromised and you do not shortchange your customers, your business will thrive. Many factors play a part in a successful business. For any businesses, the most challenging part would be setting it up and establishing a brand for yourself. For us, we have introduced a variety of flavors to dispel the traditional image of Ang Ku Kueh.